Good evening once more. So it's another video, and this time it is what we're doing, how to make money on Instagram. So go into this today. It's a bit unusual for me doing it because I use actually Instagram on the phone, like most people. So the setup is a bit different from it is on the phone. It's just one of the platforms that not many use it on the desktop. That it's mainly the phone, but it is focused on how to make money on Instagram. So I have actually got three accounts. Just before getting to this video, I haven't changed the link on this one. So probably losing out. So that's really the first bit that you would do. I've done quite a lot of posts, quite a lot of followers, so just a bit about myself and what the product is, and then it allows you to put your link on it. So when you click on it, it goes to a landing page, and we pop up, which is quite good if you try and navigate away. And that maybe does increase 25% leads, basically, if I didn't have that. So you put in the email, and then I've got an email system when they get follow up emails, which is important. So you check the description, the link in description rather, and a bit about what we do. Then you can have this exact same system that I have. So the profile is the bit that and have a picture about what your business is. I mean, one of the things that you can do, this is people ask sort of how to make money on Instagram Reels, and that I've not actually done any yet. I've not ever looked into it, but it is obviously here's one here. It's not a post, but it's a video post. So the video creation is really power video content. If, for example, I just happen to image not relating to the business about lasagna, so that was the point I was going to make. If you want to know how to make it, and beautiful wife can make it. That's there. Horse. That if you put it in Google and we see the instructions, we think, oh, it's okay, but in video format, video content, actually seeing someone doing it, then that is really powerful. So we need to get into that. The reels, investigate it a bit more. Maybe not the best on the image platforms like Pinterest, Instagram, but I get like social media managers to do it, which is you can pay someone to do it. Some of the platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, and Reddit do it myself, but so certainly I'll look into that, the reels, because you can make money with Instagram solely on that. But if we go into one of the posts, it's not really a business one, I just put that on there. Here's one that was done, and it's a wee bit about it. There's not real links in Instagram, they don't really permit it, but seeing the post, I'll click the link from your profile. So in here, like most of them do, it's got the impressions from the profile and the hashtags as well, which we will load this up just now. So we're looking for about 30 hashtags per post, and you're looking for low, spell right, low sort of key volume, hashtags, mid key volume, and high, so probably low would be up to 100,000 in volume, and then mid would be 100 to 500, and then high be like in the millions. To do that, so if we come out of here and then search for make money, use me online. So you do it on the desktop, it should give you the search volume. Should have probably prepared this earlier, but so I might have to do a hashtag make money online. Yeah, so that's what I need to do. In the phone, it's different. So make money. So there's one hashtag. It's got 5.2 million posts. So we could just write these down. So do like 5 on 8. So make money and the hashtag. We don't do shift, and it's like 5 million. So that would be a high one we can use. Something there. See, I'll make money from home. So that's 143 posts. So we could use that as a small one and make money passively. These just kind of mean that there's not a lot of posts, so you could get your content shared by Instagram a lot easier than the other ones. Should come up with a search volume as well, but if you're on your phone and you're typing that in, it will come up this search volume as well. So you want to have see, so 5 keywords that are spelled right here. Low, 5 that are mid, and 5 that are high, and then just repeat the process, and then get some images like this one. So if you don't know how to create them, our platform very soon is going to have done for you images, so you wouldn't really need to do anything, but you can use Canva, and it's a free trial. In fact, it's not a free trial. If we go into it, you can get the free version, which you can use some of their already done images or create your own. So it's just a case of going on that and sort of messing around with it, and you can get images created. As I say, our platform will have that's in random images. So that's one that we've done, and with all the hashtags in it, and then you can get the insights. That's the stats on the post. It's just really about building up an audience and traffic um, by using hashtag and also Canva images to help as well. So you can send DMs, which is direct messages on Instagram. So I've got messages already, and it's really just doing things. That one's not too bad, so sorry to bother you. A lot of it's spam, really. So what about that direct messages? So it's really just trying to find people in your niche. So I do affiliate marketing, but say you didn't, you've done um, weight losses. A lot of people go in for that. I don't know her at all. Some of them you can't message. I've got it set up, so that'll be her link that you can click on. If you're selling weight loss, just use it for example. So you go into message. Say her name was Cindy. I don't know what her name is. Hi Cindy, how are you doing? I also offer, I don't, but it's for example weight loss products as well. How is the journey going? So it's really not, I'm not going to send that course because I'm not doing that, but it's just using that example. If you're affiliate marketing, type something in and follow them and send them a message. You're just going to introduce yourself, and perhaps not even that you're doing selling a product. Just even if you didn't, just take that out. In fact, just hi Cindy, how you doing? I mean, if you put about business thing, oh, here's another one just pitching a product, just some simple like that. Think about if you're in a cafe and you introduce yourself and just sort of the basic things, and then later on as you build up relationship, um, sort of conversation, and then they mention things that are struggling, like, well, I've got this course, it really helps people, would you like to see it? It comes over better when that comes out after time, after building up a conversation, rather than a lot of these ones just um, add you to a group that you've never, I hope you can join, or whatever. These ideas never really work, or methods, to be honest. So it just doesn't work. And then also thing that works quite well if you're trying to make money online, just kind of profile, whatever, follow, just follow them. Don't follow too many, just a couple per day, so you're on your list. Like in Instagram, it's not friends like it's on Facebook. Just follow and then unfollow after a certain period of time. So that method, um, yeah, does work and does build up traffic as well, just by staying consistent and doing that. So take a look in the profile. We have a lot of other methods that work. We've got some sort of paid solo ad ventures and an autoresponder, which you need when they click on that and put in their email. It's a system that sends out emails for you. So it's really not about the sales at the first point. It's really on the follow up and the emails going in the inbox and them open the emails, and it will work for you. So please take a look at our sort of description, what we've got to offer, and we'd love to help you. Hope to see you on the inside. Bye bye for now.